Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. I'm pumped. Today we are going to be unboxing the brand new follow-on to our existing 14-inch portable display. And in the new one, the P1425, we're going to be doing some really innovative stuff to actually enable you to flank it portrait mode. You're going to see a new right angle cable and things like that. Let's jump into the unboxing. I'm pumped. So right off the bat, you will see a very sustainable design. You have your quick start guide, how to use it. Brand new right angle cable. Don't you love it? Warranty, safety, regulatory information. And your sleeve and the rest of the box. So we have the sleeve. Let's pop the display out. Wowee. Pretty slick what we've done. So as mentioned, that's going to be USB Type-C cable, display port. Look at that redesigned stand. You're going to have your buttons, portrait mode, power button. Now, if I am a coder and I want to have my screen in portrait mode, I can go ahead and do that. Whereas previously, it was primarily just like that. We did move to a 16:10 aspect ratio, so an extra row of pixels there. But some of the cool innovation is in kind of the cable itself. So what you're also going to notice is if you remove the rubber grommet that's here, you will see VESA pattern. So if you wanted to mount this panel on an arm, you can easily do that. And it's going to be your standard M4 8mm screws that can go in there, and you'd be able to put this portable display in some really innovative places. So another cool feature you're going to want to check out is Dell Display Manager. You'll be able to partition up your screen, giving you more real estate to work and multitask. But that's pretty much it. This would be the brand new P1425H. A lot of cool stuff gone into it. Gyro test, some in landscape. Let's pop it in portrait. Full screen right away. No manipulation. Let's go back. Voila. You're not going to want to leave anywhere without it. But this was the brand new P1425 14-inch portable display. You're going to absolutely love it and not want to leave home without it. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.